As you can see, I'm a really big guy and it's really wide and huge, easy. So we have this big pass through here, and this is our fully power sunroof. So this can come all the way to the closed position or retract all the way to here for that open air feel. This sliding glass in the center here slides to close, and there's a door. So this can be a true foul weather and or cold weather boat as well. We're gonna bring you back into the luxurious cockpit. One thing that's fun about Regals is the helm station. The helm station on these boats is extremely comfortable, and it's always designed for two people. So your significant other is gonna be just as comfortable with you at the helm station as you are. And you can be together piloting and enjoying this wonderful boat. We have all of our standard controls, Garmin electronics, the amazing Yamaha joystick system, which I love. And I call the joystick system the marriage saver because it makes things like docking and anchoring so much easier. Just for example, when we pulled up to the sandbar here, as I was preparing the anchor, I just hit the stay point function, and the engines and the computer keep this boat locked in position so I can take my time setting the anchor in what's a very crowded anchorage with a strong current. So there's no drama. One person can do everything because I can just lock the boat in place while I go to work. I like using the stay point when I'm docking as well. I can bring it up to a dock, lock the boat in place, and manage all the lines without having to have my girlfriend or my children or guests trying to scramble and do things they may not be comfortable with. So the joystick system lets the captain completely do everything on his own or her own. So I really enjoy that.